So first up for the code review weekly, I just wanted to see where we're at with performance discussions and sort of potentially what we needed to do to make sure we're getting stuff scheduled and planned prior to like hitting 15.6. And I don't know, Matt, if you have thought about that, maybe like if you want to try and pick up coordinating it, if Andre's out again or what might work there.
Yeah, I'll talk to Andre tomorrow or whenever he gets back, and we'll go from there, I guess. We'll see. I don't know if he's done any of the work yet, but if not, yeah, I can certainly help out with that.
Okay. Yeah, and then let me know if you need any help or what. I know we're given the next one, I think we're gonna be short on like planning time, so we need to try and rapidly figure out what we want to allocate maybe for 15.6, which is good for number 2, which is 15.6. And I'll only be around on the 11th, and then not again until the 17th. And then I'm off actually tomorrow, Friday, as well. So really, I'm only here for like 2 days over the next course of till the next milestone starts. Seems to be my MO is take vacation during planning. So yeah, so I will put something on the calendar for the 11th, just so we can like shortlist and see where we're at with like what we tentatively think is going to slip in capacity, and then I'll put stuff on the calendar for both for the 17th.
Yep, sounds good.
Cool. And then Annabelle is not here for the last one. So I'm fine with doing it if we can do it on the 11th. If not, then if we don't do a prioritization session, that's fine as well. I think like I don't actually know. Ooh, now I want to look from 15.5. Did we end up pulling any of those in? We did. We got one. Yeah, we pulled 2 of them in, at least 2 or 3, 4. So I mean, there's definitely some value, I think, in getting them done. So I'll drop a note to Annabelle, and then if something shows up on the 11th, then great. Cool. Anyone have anything else? Ben, any updates on restructure? Couldn't think of it. Restructuring interviews. Like, how have those gone?
Yeah, almost done. Have the last concept testing on Thursday, and then Annabelle and I will get to chat and figure out what we should do for more high concept, high fidelity prototype testing. But so far, so good. And the in-product survey is also running up to 10% now, so we'll see. Our response rate is not high, but we will persevere.
Has there been any like you've done like 1 or 2 interviews? Like, is there anything interesting so far, or should I go look at Dovetail?
I haven't like put on my analysis glasses yet, but I will say it seems to be favorably received so far. There's a few like hiccups in like exactly finding certain things, but I think that's like a first time with the interface problem, not like a this is a terrible idea problem. And so yeah, generally the whole like cleaning up the activity feed, putting better filters on it, having a comments tab with like threaded discussions and a sidebar, that's all seeming to land pretty well.
Cool. That's exciting. Hopefully, yeah, I'm excited to look at the dovetail stuff when that's all sorted through. So cool. Well, thanks for the early update.
Sure.
Cool. Well, if no one has anything else, then enjoy the rest of your Wednesday and rest of your week. And we'll see everyone next week. Bye.